Hey, third graders. Today we are going to be subtracting, but we are going to be subtracting across zeros. So we are going to, probably you did this last year in second grade, but we will see. Okay. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. We're going to do this page right here, and then we are going to do the front of 3-12. Okay. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see. All right, let's look at number 7. So I have 0 take away 1. It's bigger on the bottom, so I can't do that. So I go next door, there's a 0. Can't take from there. I go over to the 8. That looks good. Cross out the 8. Make it a 7. Then I come over here and I make a 10 because I'm bringing a 1 over with the 0. But now I need to take another one from the 10 so I can get over to the 1 spot. So cross out the 10, make it a 9. And then finally, I get to make this one a 10. Then I'm ready to subtract. Okay, 10 take away 1. What is 10 take away 1? 9. 9 take away 9. 0. And 7 take away 3. 4. So once you get your borrowing done, the subtracting part is going to be pretty easy for you guys. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, look at number 8. All of them are going to have the zeros in on this whole page. Okay, so 0 take away 3, can't do that. Can't go next door, nope. Go to the 5, I cross out the 5 and make it a 4, right? And then I bring one over to the neighbor and that makes a 10. I need to see you're crossing out like I'm doing. Then I cross out the 10 and that makes a 9. And then I get to the last spot and I can finally make my 10. Then I'm ready to subtract. Okay? All right, let's subtract. 10 take away 3. Kind of get to the easy part then, right? And then I have 9 take away 3, which is 6. And I have 4 take away 3, which is 1. Final answer, right? So just remember that you're going to need to go all the way over to that 100 spot before you start, right? So next one, number 9, go all the way over to the 4, make it a 3. Then I come here. I need to see on your paper that you're doing what I'm doing. Okay, make it a 10, then I got to take 1 away because I got to bring another one over to here to make my 10. I think you guys will get the hang of it pretty quickly. All right, I'm not going to do the subtracting on that one because you can do that, but let's look at the borrowing on just one more problem. Okay, I'm going to go all the way over to the hundreds. It's 9. If I take 1 away from 9, I have 8. Then I come next door. I'm putting a 1 next to the 0, which makes a 10. Got to bring another one over, so cross that out, make a 9, and then I finally can make a 10, and then I'm ready to subtract. So go ahead and finish up this page, and then I want you to meet me on the front side of 3-12. So pause the video. Okay, hopefully you finished up your other page, and you're joining us on the front side of 3-12. So I want to just say one thing about the directions. We are not going to be doing the proof drawing. So if you ever see that and Mrs. Hagen forgets to cross it out, we're just subtracting and we're showing how we're regrouping. That's all, just like we did on the other page. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Same thing as what you just finished. Okay, let's look at number 1. 0 take away 1. Can't do that. Go next door. Do that. So I need to go to my 100 spot, cross out my 4, and make it a 3. Come next door, make it a 10. Then that 10 becomes a 9, and I finally can bring one over for my last spot, which was 10. Exactly what you did on your other page. All right, I'm going to let you do the subtracting, but I'm going to do a couple more with regrouping, okay? Number 2, 0 take away 6. Can't do that. Go next door. Nope. Cross out my 7, and it makes a 6. Perfect. And I come over here, I make a 10, cross that out, make a 9, and then finally a 10. So you're going to start to see that repetition with the pattern, and you're going to remember, okay? Be careful also when you're subtracting that you do that right. Okay, let's do number 3. Let's show our regroupings or our ungroupings on that one. Go 0, take away 8. Nope, go next door. So I go to my 3. If I take 1 away from 3, I get 2. Cross out my 0, I make a 10. Cross that out, make a 9. And the neater that you can show your crossing out will help you subtract, because if you're a little bit messy up there, you might get confused on your subtracting. So take your time. All right, you are going to finish up this page. When you get down to the very bottom, remember we're only doing the front side, you have 3 story problems, and you're going to notice that they also have subtracting in the hundreds. So let's look at number 7. The school cafeteria holds 200 students. Mr. Thompson's class has 22 students who eat lunch in the cafeteria. How many more? Whenever you see how many more, you know it's minus, right? Ding, ding, ding. How many more students can still eat in the cafeteria when Mr. Thompson's class has lunch? So this is where we draw our lines across, because we have that little part up there that says show your work. It's supposed to show your work, but this is where I'm going to do my equation on the side. So I have 200 minus 22. Got to line up my digits in the right spot, right? So they're story problems, but they're also still going to be subtraction. Ooh, look at here. Here's our number, kind of hiding in there in words. Don't miss that. So remember, you're going over, cross out your 2, make it a 1. Here, make it a 10. Then I have to switch to a 9, so I can bring 1 more over to my 1s. Okay? I see another hidden number here, right? 145. Ooh, 2 hidden numbers. All right, I want you to do something for me. I want you to put a star right here with your name, because I want to see who's watching my videos. So if people turn in work and they don't have the star with their name, Mrs. Hagen will know. Okay, so put your star with your name, or write me a little note up there. That'd be fun too. All right, have an awesome day, guys.